Just put hot coals inside your orange and you'll never have this problem again. You really need to learn this tip. That's right, guys. And I promise this is not any sort of witchcraft, all right? It's actually a pretty good tip that I'm sure it's going to help you a lot at home. So this is what you do. First, take an orange and let's cut it right here on a top. Cut it top off, just like this. As it was a cover all right. See? Just like this. Then let's remove all the pulp from the orange, okay? And of course, you don't need to throw it away. You can just eat it or even make a juice. Let me take it off. Then take a spoon and a scoop out what's left. You need to leave it empty with nothing inside. And check this out, guys. This is how it's going to be. And now let's do the following. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder in here. All right, go ahead and put it inside the orange peel. And now just get a piece of burning coal, and let's put it inside orange too. Next, we're going to need rosemary. Go ahead and add a handful, and to finish, let's add bay leaves. You can break it into small pieces and place it over to coal and the rosemary and the smell that is coming out of this, guys. It's really amazing. You have no idea how pleasant it is, all right? Let me put it here and now. Just take the top of the orange that we cut, then go ahead and cover it up. And folks, this, if not the best, is one of the best natural repellents to scare away any mosquitoes and flies. And not just that, but if you have problems with rhinitis and sinusitis, it will surely help you a lot with this too, because of the smell of bay leaf and rosemary. So you can light it up and place it near the window or in the living room for a very pleasant aroma. And then you will no longer have problems with flies and mosquitoes, as well as relieving headaches, rhinitis, and sinusitis. And folk, because of the cold, it will burn for hours. So try this at home because I'm sure you're going to love the result.